Nice mug. But it's actually not a mug yet, it doesn't have a handle. So this is the handle. In any case, I need to figure out the size of the handle and then carve it. So let me start. Okay, so now let me figure out how big handle I want to make. Around this much. So now this looks much more like a handle, but actually I will do it this way. So I have like a little bit color on this side. Okay, I need to remove the bark. I need to clean this. Okay, now I need to define the shape. Almost. Okay, so the rest I will do with rods and files. Getting really close to. This is the method that I think will work perfectly. So basically I need to equalize this thing with that, and that's I think I'm getting a little bit closer. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna accept this one. It's not perfect. I don't know why is it not getting perfect, but very nice. Very nice. super glue. Oh, not super glue. Oh, I'll do both. I will do super glue to hold in place and wood glue to actually hold. Ta-da! I like it. And a little bit of updating this stuff. Whee! Okay, I'm so happy. This was quite a slow project. I'm not sure I did the right on this side. I just glue, super glue plus wood glue. More like an experiment, more like a decorative cup. I don't know what it can be used for, but right now I can drink a little bit. Cheers! Now beer time.